This is, this is, this is, this is, this is, this is, this is. Your daily, weekly outlook and prediction, stocks and crypto. Victory in the building, what up? What up, Victory? All right, let me share these links. And then we'll get it started. You know what it is. It is your weekly outlook and prediction, stocks and crypto. Let me hit the like. Hit the like. Doc in the building. What up, Doc Airline? Everyone share the stream. Everybody share the stream. I'm going to be posting the link here. I want you to share the stream. I'm going to be posting the link. Share the stream. Share the stream. This is your weekly outlook and prediction, baby. You know what it is. We got Captain Juan in the building. Captain Juan in the building. What up? All right, ladies and gentlemen, this is your weekly outlook and prediction for stocks and crypto. Hopefully you are here right now. If you're missing this, don't worry. You can check it out on the replay later. All right, we got Jackson in the building, Shifty Bites. We got Shifty Bites in the building. What up, Shifty? We got Jackson. I see the gold star on you, Jackson. I appreciate the support. 8801 in the building. How we doing? Snatch in the building. What's good with you? How we doing this weekend? It's popping, everybody. How's your weekend going? Doing good, chilling. About to do this weekly outlook and prediction. We already know. Mike Jr. in the building. All right, how we doing, everybody? Let's get this weekly outlook and prediction started. Just wanted to give people a few seconds to get in here. Now, let's see if we got any news. We're going to want to check news. Selling may go away. Why Wall Street isn't buying this year. Stocks unleash remarkable comeback after historic dive from Trump tariffs. How the stock market made back all its losses. That's not all its losses. Definitely they're pumping right now. They're definitely pumping right now. Alright, what are we going to talk about? I kind of want to talk about the bullish article instead of the bearish article. I think, and I'm going to talk about, we're going to talk about the bullish article. Definitely pumping, definitely pumping. They're definitely pumping. What up, Bano in the building? Giro, what up? I got some GME news already. Yeah, this is the biggest story, man. This huge company. Okay, so GME news. All right, chat is popping right now. Chat is popping right now. That's what I like to see. Oh, AMC earnings this week, y'all. AMC earnings this week. AMC earnings this week. Supposed to be on Wednesday. AMD on Tuesday. Wait, maybe it's next week. Bro, wasn't AMC supposed to be May 7th? May 7th, right? May 7th. That's what it says, but I don't see it on here, bro. Let's just search for it. Damn, bro. This is going to be hard now to tell. We're set up for a bullish week, but we got earnings now. I need to know if it's confirmed or not, bro. Does anyone know if this is confirmed or not, bro? I cannot find AMC. I cannot find AMC on the list for May 7th. Is it confirmed or not? Thunderbolts. It's gonna do okay. It's not gonna be that. It's not gonna do numbers. It might even flop. Hopefully it does okay, like Captain America numbers, the last Captain America numbers. That Thunderbolts might flop though. Minecraft movie, and there's a lot of hype around the Sinners movie. Wow, so I don't know if May 7th is it. Is it May 7th or not, bro? Can we confirm? Right here, right here, right here, right here, right here, right here. Okay, so AMC earnings, my friends. AMC earnings, my friends. So see how we can't find it on the list, bro? I just put out a list of the movies. I just put out, bro. I made these fire tweets. Look how many posts they get. Look, I made this fire tweet for GameStop. 14 likes, 3 retweets. Make sure you guys go retweet and like it right now. 689 views. This tweet got 415 views. It got all the movies coming out. And it got the Bullish article for AMC, bro. This drawing fire. And I got this drawing 17 likes, 3 retweets, 953 views. When we found that, someone pointed this out in the chat. Somebody bought a bunch of $27 calls on AMC stock. Did I make a video about this? Because this is crazy. Like, I'm about to make this the premise of the video. Oh, yeah, I did do a short video, and it did 1,000 views, so it's crazy. But we're going to talk about it some more. $27 calls, y'all. Check this out with the AMC as well. Let me grab my tea real quick. Got my tea. All right, so we need to do this. Hold on. Let me tweet this. Let me whip this tweet up real quick, y'all. Girl, I don't want to sign up for your... Knock it off. Let me whip up this tweet real quick, and then we'll get talking about what we need to talk about. We got Roar Lion in the building. Who's bullish on AMC and GameStop? Drop rockets in the chat if you're bullish on AMC or GameStop this week. Let me know what you guys are. Let me know if you guys are bullish or bearish. Let me know if you're bullish or bearish on GameStop. Let me know if you're bullish or bearish on SPY. Talk to me. Talk to me, y'all. Okay, Willie F in the building, Jackson in the building, Mike in the building. Tim, what up with you, bro? Let me whip up this tweet and then we'll get it started. Man, yo, Bitcoin just dumped here. Bitcoin just had a little dumpy here. I'm struggling with these freaking limited tweets. Okay. So we got everything I need. Nana Ape in the building. We got everything we need. It's going to be AMC earnings for this week. Thunderbolts. Let me check the box office. Is it even out? I don't think it's gonna go crazy. Mission Impossible's May 23rd. Thunderbolts is out. Thunderbolts is out. Let me check the box office. What the heck are you doing? Thunderbolts movie opened with 76 million, topping the charts. Okay, it did good. Okay. Oh shit. Top 10 movies domestic box office right now, bruh. It's leading. Oh shit, this is good. Top 10 movies domestic box office. Okay, Thunderbolts is even doing more than Sinners and Minecraft movie. Thunderbolts is crushing. I'm tweeting that. AMC stock fundamentals continue to improve. Oh my God, we're gonna, bro, bro, I'm telling you guys, we're setting up so perfectly, bro. Wait till I break it all down. It's worth waiting on me writing these tweets, y'all. Type in the chat so I know if chat's working. Type in the chat so I know if chat's working. Bro, because I'm telling y'all, bro, it's all coming together so nicely. And AMC's weekly MACD is now green, by the way. Okay, baby. Let's go. Check it out. Check out what we got. Okay. Now, I think they're going to try to attack us during earnings, obviously. You know they're going to try to attack us during earnings. You guys know that. But it's okay. Going into earnings, we have 12.24% short interest on GameStop. 9.61 days to cover. 3.1 million shares, short shares. AMC, 13.61% short interest. Only 2.8 million short shares. What happened to all their short shares? Cost to borrow is low for GameStop. Cost to borrow is just flat for AMC. Wow, a super chat. May the 4th be with you. Is that a play on the Fortnite Star Wars theme now? Because Fortnite is Star Wars right now. Thank you for the super chat on the weekend, brother. Cheers. This is just tea, by the way, YouTube. Bro, thank you so much for a freaking super chat on the weekend. That means a lot to me. It rarely happens, so I really appreciate it. And it means a lot because, you know, it's a just cause type of thing. Obviously, because no markets are open right now. Well, the crypto market's open.
May the 4th be with you.
Thank you for that super chat, brother. Yeah, today is May 4th, but this video is for the 5th. This weekly outlook and predictions to the 5th until the 9th. So Monday through Friday. What's up, TY? Okay, so I want to point out a few things. I predicted a green week for SPY. I predicted a green week for GameStop. And I predicted a green week for AMC. I got SPY right, as SPY did have a green week of 2.93% plus. I got GameStop right, as GameStop had a slight green week as well. May the take profit be with you with a 5-piece from Stuart. Okay, we're popping off on the weekend here. Thank you so much,
May the take
dude.
profit be with you.
Couple of super chats on the weekend. Love to see it. Got a couple of super chats on the weekend here. Love to see it. Thank you guys so much, man. Thank you so much, man. I truly appreciate that, y'all. We got Andrew and Stuart. Andrew and Stuart, man, I appreciate y'all, man. Super chats on the weekend. Let's go.
May the take profit be with you.
Thank you guys for the super chats on the freaking weekend. Now, Green Weekly, we almost have Green Weekly MACD here for GameStop. We do have Green Weekly MACD for AMC. I got everything right except AMC. AMC was literally down by 1.11%, so I was almost right. But we do have a bullish hammer candle here on the weekly time frame. I'm going to have to go, and I'm going to explain why, but I'm going to have to go with another green week for AMC stock. Now, I did predict a green week for AMC stock last week. I did get it wrong. I cannot get every single prediction right. I got 2 candles right. Obviously, I make 3 predictions a week on the candles. Getting 2 out of 3, that's not bad at all. You know what I mean? And I normally get at least 2 out of 3, if not 3 out of 3. That's very good. Like and subscribe. So, right now, all we need to do is see AMC close above 268 this week. I believe it can happen, but we have earnings. And earnings, they're going to attack us. Now, man, I'm either going to be really right or really wrong. Because I'm going to be really right or really wrong because of earnings. So, fam, I'm going to have to go with a green week. We got the bullish hammer candle. We got the green weekly MACD. We got the bullish divergence. The only way we get screwed is if we get robbed. All the technicals scream bullish. Let's check out the call options chain. And then we have bullish fundamentals as well. But my thing is the box office. If somebody can help me remember, was the box office good last week or last couple months? Because the box office is popping now. The box office is popping now. AMC stocks fundamentals continue to improve as the 2025-2026 movie lineup rolls out. The Thunderbolts movie is doing numbers. We have some more bangers coming. Technicals and fundamentals are coming together for AMC as we have a macro falling wedge in play and green monthly MACD. And then I show you guys. This is doing even better than the Sinners movie, which did numbers as well. And it's doing even better than the Minecraft movie, which also did numbers. and we have the freaking falling wedge in play. We have bullish divergence, RSI trending up. And this is on the daily time frame as well. RSI trending up, price trending down, and we have bullish divergence on the weekly time frame as well, which is a good indication that you're going to see a major correction to the upside after AMC flattens out. It's going to, just the same way it's like with SPY, how SPY topped out. Once AMC it's going to flatten out and correct up. It's going to flatten out and correct up because of the bullish divergence. And I believe we're in that flattening out process now. So you're going to see AMC basically flatten out and correct up. Now, I don't want to see a lower low. We made a higher low. This is bullish as fuck, bro. We made a higher low. Let's say we get attacked for earnings. We make one more low. But I think we take off, bro. Look, we got these buy orders here. I think we're good, bro. I think we're good to go. I'm going for a green week, baby. The only way I'm not right is if we get attacked, bro. Everything is pointing to bullish. We got RSI trending up, price trending down, weekly time frame, daily time frame. RSI trending up, price trending down, bullish divergence. Just like with SPY with bearish divergence, it's the opposite. You see how price trends down, price trends up, RSI trends down. Boom, you get that correction. And I want to show you guys something here for Bitcoin. Bitcoin crashed. RSI trending down, price trending up, then you crash, you find the bottom, only to make a slightly higher high and double top and make another leg down. SPY easily could do something just like that. I just want you guys to understand that. RSI trending down, price trending up, you come down, boom, double top, make a bigger leg down. I'm telling you guys, bro, 100% I'm not leaving my hedge for SQQQ, not financial advice. You guys got to do whatever you want. I'm not leaving my fucking hedge. It pays to be hedged anyways. You guys don't make it your biggest position. It's a hedge, you know what I mean? It's not supposed to be your biggest position. It's a hedge against the crash. It's not supposed to be something crazy. It can be a crazy moonshot. It can be crazy gains. It can be big money. SQQQ, leverage, plus you add options to that. You get triple leverage, but it's also super risky because it's leverage. Me personally, we got to, and I'm going to talk about this in the SPY section here. I want to see if SPY tests these moving averages. And I want to see if we break above these moving averages. If we break above these moving averages and hold them, that's very, very bullish. If we reject from these moving averages and come down, that's very, very bearish. I think we're going to track with my prediction. My prediction here on NASDAQ's been tracking for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 days. So I think we're going to continue to track, in my personal opinion. I think Bitcoin is going to be pulling back slightly. We had a little bit of bearish divergence. Also, RSI getting overbought on the daily time frame. So I think Bitcoin's going to be pulling back slightly, but I think we're going to come down, use these levels of support like 91.6K, 88K, 85K, those major levels of support that I wanted to break above and hold. I think we're going to use those as support and then see a continuation up as we're breaking out of a macro falling wedge. And we're starting to get a golden cross almost here on BTC, and we're above the 200 moving average on the daily time frame, which is extremely, extremely bullish, ladies and gentlemen. So just make sure you guys hit that like button and subscribe. Also with Bitcoin, I've been extremely accurate, as I did call for the 80 and 100K price target way back in 2022 and 2023 when people were talking about 15K and 10K and 3K. Even mega people with millions of followers like Gareth Soloway talking about, oh, it's going to go to 3K, it's going to go to 10K. Listen, when FTX crashed and we didn't go below 15K, I knew that was the bottom. Also, the falling wedge, no brainer. Bought so much BTC, ran it up, baby. I'm thinking we're going to see another nasty move to the upside here for BTC. BTC's chart is just disgusting. Falling wedge to bull flag to falling wedge. You really can't get any better than this. This is just chef's kiss. absolutely amazing, ladies and gentlemen. This is exactly what you want to see. And if I could only hold one asset, I would be holding BTC, not financial advice. Also, more proof that we'll probably come down and use those liquidity zones as support. You can see we have these buy orders here. We have these sell orders here. So RSI overbought on the daily time frame for BTC with sell orders. You're going to be pulling back, ladies and gentlemen. You're going to come back down to these buy orders here. It's not rocket science. You're going to find support here, and then you're going to continue up, blasting past these sell orders after you get a nice floor here around that 90 to 85K zone. So expect to see BTC pulling back and then moving to the upside. This dip might be the last dip to buy on BTC, not financial advice. Hopefully GameStop buys soon. GameStop needs to officially file an 8K filing in order to know that if we bought the Bitcoin. I have not seen this 8K filing, so we still don't know if they bought it. If that much Bitcoin being bought, you would probably see an 8K filing from the SEC alerting us that it would be bought, and we have not seen that yet. So, little bit disturbing there. Hopefully they get in there and buy the dip soon if they have not. TY BTC for life, yes sir. Andrew in the building, think from above. What's good with you? We actually have 53 in the building right now. We're popping off mega right now. Two super chats on the weekend. Absolutely insane. If we get a gifted, that would be off the charts. Just putting that out there. No one has to give a gifted, but if we got a gifted, that would be off the charts. Shout out Andrew and shout out Stuart Soap Co. Shout out Stuart Soap Co. Check out his channel. Thank you for the 5 and for the 2Ps. This is your weekly outlook and prediction for stocks and crypto. Now, I want to talk about this falling wedge here that we have here for GameStop. This falling wedge has been forming over 2 days now. I believe we could see a breakout here as early as Monday here, as we could probably see, instead of having to come out, we could potentially see a breakout here where we use this as support and then push to the upside. So we're going to be looking for that here on this Monday to see if we can maybe use this falling wedge as support here, sloping support and resistance, breaking above that, and then maybe see a breakout, definitely giving us a green week because we'd be breaking above that key level of $28, and then we're going to blast off if we break above $28, ladies and gentlemen. Things are starting to heat up for the meme stocks and really come together. So I would kind of, again, keep your excitement in check as you don't want to get disappointed. But ladies and gentlemen, things are looking primed for the meme stocks, baby. They are looking primed. Whether you want to believe that or not, that's fine. But look at just this absolute insane options activity right here. $46 calls being bought. Absolutely huge open interest, outweighing the puts heavily. Calls outweighing the puts heavily. Very bullish options chain here. And then if we go here for May 9th, you guys can see here, again, calls heavily outweighing the puts. What day was that for AMC's? $115 call options on GameStop. What day was AMC's unusual options activity? '20th. Let's see what GameStop looks like on the 20th. If it's crazy, then we know something's happening. It is. GameStop has 34, 38, and $115 call options. For the something's planned for the 20th, not financial advice. This summer, squeeze this summer. No dates though, you know what I mean? No dates. Possible squeeze this summer, man. I don't know. I mean, the fundamentals are lining up. Short interest is coming back. We could possibly see something this summer, baby. Do not get your hopes up too high. Of course, you don't want to get disappointed. But, ladies and gentlemen, we're approaching $30 for GameStop. AMC got the falling wedge with the bullish divergence. If GameStop buys the Bitcoin, Bitcoin's about to take off. Like, what the fuck is there to not have? Like, everything. Bro, GameStop's about to have the Bitcoin. 2026, 2025 box office is doing crazy. If the Thunderbolts movie is doing this big, then you know Fantastic Four is going to go way ham because people just like the Fantastic Four, period, bro. And that's not even counting all the other movies that we have. We have so many movies. I commented about Sinners. We have Fantastic Four. The Superman movie is going to go crazy. Thunderbolts. The Minecraft movie went crazy. I think Fast and Furious 10's coming out. Another Lilo and Stitch movie. I don't know how that's going to do because it's live action. It might be some woke shit. Another John Wick movie's coming out. Predator Badlands is coming out. The Accountant 2. Insidious 6. Like, come on, guys. Tron might go crazy. Saw. Like, come on, y'all. 2025, 2026. Looking crazy. Hunger Games, Terror Last Friday, Scary Movie 6, at The Exodus, Scream, Super Mario 2, come on, Toy Story 5, Spider-Man 4. I mean, come on, ladies and gentlemen. On top of this, GameStop macro falling wedge. On top of this, whales keep buying GameStop. On top of this, GameStop's buying BTC. Come on, y'all. This ain't rocket science. A ton of whales are buying GameStop. Like, it's absolutely insane. I wouldn't be surprised if institutional ownership is like starting to go through the roof. Look at this. 2024, they've been buying, bro. They've been buying GameStop a lot. We just got another 2-piece. Yeah, this box office is going to break records. And everybody's going to go to an AMC theater. Why? Because AMC has the premium seating and their premium projectors now. And they closed down some of their worst theaters and they upgraded some of the better ones, which is what they should have been doing more. But you know what I mean? Like, bro, I'm telling you guys, we're in prime position to take off. We're in prime position. Andrew with another 2-piece, bro.
Box office gonna break all-time record dollar.
Thank you, Andrew, for the 2-piece. That's insane, dude. You just dropped a 2-piece now on the weekend. Who's going to drop a gifted membership, though? We got 33 likes. If we can get them likes up, maybe I'll do a giveaway. Let's get them likes up. I want to see them likes up. We got 51 in the building. Come on, get them likes up, man. We got 51 in the building. Get them likes up, man. As long as apes hold the line, but apes might get discouraged, bro. That's the one thing I'm worried about, is apes getting discouraged. That's the one thing I'm worried about. That's the one thing that scares me the most. Apes getting discouraged, man, and losing hope. That is one case I hope don't be. Let's get them likes up, man. Maybe I'll do a giveaway. I want to see a membership. I want to see one brand new member if possible. If not, it's all good, man. I appreciate the love. You guys showed mad love so much. You guys showed mad love on the weekend already, man. It's insane. Absolutely insane. I'm going to get a little bit more tea. super chat! Brother! Why'd you wait till I went to the bathroom to give me the 10? Cheers, brother. Cheers, brother, for the 10-piece. 10-piece on the weekend, bro? Nuh-uh. We really just got a 10-piece on the weekend, though. That's insane, bro. Thank you, Victory, for the 10-piece. We are live on the weekend doing the weekly outlook and prediction. If you miss it, don't worry. You can check it out on the replay, or I have a video coming up. Peace. Yo, this camera's insane for the thumbnails. Yeah, it's insane for the thumbnails. The camera's so good. Thank you, man, for the Nana Ape needs a membership is what she's saying. Man, I can't believe you guys went so crazy on the weekend. Thank you so much. You guys are partying like it's 1999. Dude, look at the chat. Let's go, baby. I love this energy. I love this energy we're seeing. You've been really lucky with memberships. Hey, it is what it is. If you comment a lot, you get memberships. It is what it is. AMC might actually be able to use the 268 as support. Yeah, we should be able to use 268 as support. GameStop looks like it should be able to break out. Of the falling wedge, which will be mostly a flat day, but it will be like a slight bullish day, and then SPY will probably like as like a little bit of a bull flag, so SPY will probably like push up here a little bit. Like flat. Ooh, no, I got it. Yo, you guys are going bonkers, bro. Chat is going bonkers. DZ fam in the building. 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 Yeah, about to make $1 million. Yeah, in the building, and we about to make $1 million. In the building, and we about to make $1 million. Yo, you guys are going bonkers. So, how many super chats did we get? What the man? You guys are crazy. Let's check out these super chats, dude. I should have did a super chat goal. All these super chats you gave me, and then I could have did a giveaway. Bro, look at this. Look what you guys did on the weekend. Victory, Andrew, Stewart, Thank you so much, man. And then Hound in with another piece. Hound with the data dollar. What is really going on? Thank you, Snatchy. Miss Snatchy with the heart. Hello, Hound. Change your thing back to a girl. Man.
Hello, DZ Heartsuit.
Change your thing back to a girl. Bro, you guys are insane. What the fuck are we doing? Look at all those super chats, man. What the fuck? Guys. Come on. Okay, you guys can relax a little bit, man, because you guys are going a little too crazy for the weekend. It is just a Sunday, y'all. Okay, I can tell you guys like to turn up, huh? You guys turn up every day. I can tell what type of people the DZ fam is. You guys turn up every day, huh? It don't matter. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, you always turn, huh? Okay, I got you guys. You guys need to relax a little bit, but we're going a little bit crazy here for the weekend. We have 41 likes, 53 people in the building. We're looking bullish though. So I'm gonna go ahead and go green week for GameStop. And remember, I got 2 out of the 3 right last week, so I'm bound to get it. Controller getting dirty already. It's a shame. I ordered some controller enhancements. Hopefully they work well. That's my 3rd freaking PS5 controller. Freaking the other 2 I broke, man. That's so much money. Why is chat going so crazy? Dude, what are you guys doing? What is happening? I'm just gonna go with the energy. Turn up. I'm just gonna go with the flow. Fuck it. Dude, I got money. I'm doing a gift to giveaway. You guys sent so many super chats. You forced my hand. If you don't have a membership, you know what to do. If you don't have a membership, you know what to do right now. Spam it up. I'm giving away a membership. You guys forced my hand. You guys did too many super chats. I have to get back to the community now. You guys went too ham. You guys are not only chatting, but you're hitting the like button. No, I want 50 likes before I do it. Sorry guys, I gotta renege. I want 50 likes before I commit to this. I want 50 likes and then we're gonna do a gift to giveaway. So I need 9 more likes. Where are we at with it? Come on. I want 9 more likes. Marmar. Okay, now change your picture. And then we're good. If we get 50 likes, I'm doing a giveaway. Here, I'll make it official right now. Start a poll. 50 likes. Yeah, we need more chicks in the stream anyway, so you don't want to hide yourself, Marlena. We need as many girls in the stream as possible. You know what I mean? Right now, we got a good ratio. We got Pam Law, Nana Ape, Marlena, we got some chicks in here. Bannon was in here. We got a good ratio right now. We got to keep that ratio right. You know what I mean? Got to have that ratio right, man. You know what it is. So we need all the ladies we can get because my channel is like 90% male, if not more. I think it's like 92% male watch my channel. 93, something like that. Oh my God, Kai Supreme has lost his badge. It's a sad day in hell. Hell is frozen over. It doesn't matter what age you are. It matters what gender you are. By golly. The next giveaway is if we get 50 fucking likes, man. I'm giving away a free membership right fucking now. Let me make sure I'm not broke and I have the $3.99 in my account. Okay, I do. I'm giving away as soon as we get 50 likes, dude. You guys did too many super chats. I have to. It's random. Kai Supreme lost his badge. It's a sad day. Hopefully you guys you better go to your other your accounts and like the stream right now. Oh wow, Bitcoin dumping. You know what? We might see a little dumpy in the morning for SPY. I know it. I know it for a fact. I know it for a fact now. We're gonna see a little dumpy in the morning for SPY. But it's gonna find support and be okay. Yeah, you guys did so many super chats for the weekend. I'm just inclined to do a gifted giveaway because you guys are the best, man. But we do have to get 50 likes. So she put I said put a picture of you put a picture of a sports car. I bought one share of SQQQ. You're gonna get paid dividends on that one share. It is what it is. Collect the dividends. Make sure your account go up. Collect dividends. Collect your dividends. Yeah. Collect your dividends. Bro, can we get more subscribers? Because we had 15,933. We just got a new subscriber. I need three more subscribers. Thank you so much. Shout out to the new subscribers. We just got a new subscriber, 15,933. We have the best community here. Most poppin', most lit community. Hit the like button and subscribe. Also, share my live stream right now. We're trying to get 50 likes so I can do a gifted giveaway. Ladies and gentlemen. I give back to the community that gives to me. So we need 50 likes though. We need 50 likes. Come on, like it up. Where's your second accounts, your third accounts, man? What's popping? Let's get these likes so I can get this giveaway, man. And then we'll do the video. As soon as we get these likes, I'll do a gifted giveaway, and then I'm doing the video and the live stream's over. I know you guys got second accounts, so do what you need to do. Bitcoin's tracking perfectly with my prediction. Everything's tracking perfectly with my prediction. Blah 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 blah. Blah 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 blah. I'm always gonna be right about everything. I'm just kidding, y'all. But no, seriously, I've been pretty on point. Rocket Man in the building. Kai Supreme in the building. These are all people that need memberships. Damn, everybody lost their membership. Wow, that got me scared. How many members are left? You guys got me scared. You guys got me scared now. Like there's not going to be no members. May 4th. I made $4 yesterday on YouTube and I didn't even post anything. And I still made $4. I made $4.78 yesterday. But I didn't post anything. I didn't post any videos yesterday, right? We have 544 members. We have 544 members right now. 76 are reoccurring, 468 are gifted. I made $4.68 on yesterday and I didn't post at all. That's a blessing. I will always fuck you. Well, thank you. I don't know if that's a compliment or not, but thank you so much. Marlena said she will always f me. So whenever I need it, you'll just... Okay, thank you. That was random. But I really do appreciate the offer. It's been a dry spell lately, so... I'm in Tampa right now if you want to arrange that anytime soon. Okay, enough with the games, guys. This is getting X-rated. Let's tone this back a little bit, man. This is YouTube. This is family friendly. Let's calm down with this here. This is getting a little out of control. Oh, I don't have any hair, so there's no hair to cut. I have no hair to cut. Can't you tell? There's nothing. I shaved my head. You guys can't tell by now? I mean, you can literally see through the hat. You guys can't see through the hat, man? Come on now. I shaved my head for a long time now. Okay, she said so am I, so whoa. This is moving faster than I thought. Also, no, on the real tip though, guys, if you do want to follow me on Instagram, I will be announcing potential like random meet and greets and stuff like that on Instagram. So again, if you guys want to get in, like, learn about DataZero more, follow me on Instagram, y'all. If you guys want more DataZero, more insight to my day-to-day life, potentially where I might be on a certain time on the weekend, follow me on Instagram. Because I was thinking about even doing it maybe like just one weekend, be like, hey, I'm going to be here. You know what I mean? But I might just post it only on Instagram. No, I just shaved my head. My head's bald. George Jefferson? No. He has, like, hair on the side. I kind of look like Vin Diesel. There's pictures of me without my hat on Instagram, and there's pictures of me without my hat on live stream. Like whole videos on live stream, and there's on my Instagram. There's pictures of me without my hat on. All right, I'm still waiting for one more like. You guys are crazy. I need one more like. You see my muscles? Thank you. I've been trying to work out. I don't know if it's working or not. I just need one more like, and then I can do this giveaway. What the freak is taking so long for one more like? Still waiting for this one like. All I need is one like, one like, one like. All I need is one like, one like, one like, one like. So we got a fire banger video signed up for you guys. Got a fire ass video planned for y'all. Look, this one's already taken off. 5 likes, 1 retweet, baby. Let's go. Another super chat? Oh my god, dude. Unbelievable. Bro just hit me with another one.
One MO like.
Bro, thank you, dude. I really appreciate that, Andrew. That's actually crazy. You hit me with another one, bro. So this week is huge. SPY has a major test, which is going to tell me everything I need to know if it's bullish or bearish. AMC has earnings. We have a crazy technical setup. We have fundamentals and colliding. We have a crazy hidden unusual options on AMC and GameStop on the same expiration date. AMC earnings this week. I'm ready to do the video. All right, let's do this. Let me stretch real quick. And then I think we got the 50 likes. Yes. Okay. Let me do a quick back stretch real quick to get the sciatica loosened up. And I'm going to do, I need to do push-ups for every single super chat I got. I need to do 5 push-ups for every single super chat I got right now. And then after that, so I'm doing 5 push-ups for every single super chat I get. Starting right now. Or all the super chats that I got now, I'm doing 5 push-ups for. Unless anybody wants to add. I'm doing a gifted giveaway because we got our goal of 50 likes. And then I'm doing the video. And then stream is over. Ladies and gentlemen, DZ fam, truly thank you so much. You guys touched my heart today with absolutely going berserk on the weekend with multiple super chats. Look at this list. Look at this super chat list. Shout out Andrew, Stewart. I'm giving everybody a shout out again because you guys deserve it. Victory. Marmar. Andrew coming in hot with another one. Now we're doing 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. We're doing 30 diamond push-ups. We're doing 30 diamond push-ups. We're going to do 30 diamond push-ups, and then we're going to do sciatica stretch, and then I'm going to do the video. All right, you guys are... No more. We're doing 35. You guys are out of control. We're doing 35 diamond push-ups. We're doing 35 diamond push-ups. Andrew with another one. Andrew with another one. Andrew with another one, baby. Oh, no. 5150 lost his membership, too. What the heck? We're doing one gifted giveaway. One of you guys are going to get it. $51.50 with the 10-piece. Unbelievable. 40 diamonds. We're going to do 40 diamonds. Will I be able to do it?
Push IT, live long and prosper. 5 more.
5150, absolute whale. 5150 turning into an absolute whale.
5150 always hooks you up.
Hype in the chat right now. Hype in the chat right now. Hype in the chat right now. DZ fam is going crazy. DZ fam is going crazy. DZ fam is going crazy. We're going to do 40 push-ups. I got to count now. I got to recount. We're doing push-ups for every single super chat. Bro, you guys went crazy. Absolute insanity, bro. Let me see how many we got here, man. You guys are crazy. I'm going to do 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. 40 diamond push-ups. Can I even do it? Let's find out. Also, I'm going to be doing a gifted giveaway as well. 45 diamond push-ups. 45 diamond push-ups. We're doing 45. We're doing 45. That's it. I'll die. I'll die. Let me get these out before it's too late. Victory with another. Victory with another and a... What the fuck is happening? What the fuck is happening? This is the weekend? We just got 15,932 subscribers, ladies and gentlemen. We just got another subscriber. Thank you so much. I'm about to do a gifted giveaway. Let me get these push-ups out the way. Ready. We did it. We did it. We did it. 45. 45 diamond push-ups. 45 diamond push-ups. Let's go. Let's go, baby. Okay. Now, let me do a quick stretch and gift to give away. Bro, you guys are ridiculous, bro. Bro, what are we doing? Bro, what are we doing? What are we doing for real? We just have 5150.
Proud of you, bro. Flexed
Bro.
biceps, medium skin tone, flexed biceps, medium skin tone, flexed biceps, medium skin tone, flexed biceps, medium skin tone. Here's a taste for our green AMC and GME. Your boy holding 10k shares now. Folded hands, medium skin tone, folded hands,
Bro.
medium skin tone, folded hands, medium skin tone.
5150. 5150 just came in with a 20 piece. And we have Andrew going insane again with the dubber. What is happening? What is happening? What is happening? Medium skin tone, flex biceps. Bro, thank you guys so much, man. For real, thank you so much. I didn't mess my hat up, did I? I had it bent just... No, that's good. That's good. Yo, thank you guys so much, for real. DZ fam, man. For real. You guys absolutely insane. On the weekend, man. Fucking right. DZ fam. Dude, this live stream was lit, y'all. This live stream was absolutely lit. We gained like 2 new subscribers. You guys went berserk on the super chats. Let's do this gifted giveaway and then do the video. Let's go. You guys know what to do. Spam it up if you are not a member. Spam it up if you're not a member. Spam it up if you're not a member right now. I'm doing a gift to giveaway. Also, make sure you guys follow me on Instagram. Link down in the comment section description below. Meet and greet possibly coming up this summer. Remember, meet and greet this summer. I'm planning on the meet and greet this summer. This summer. All right, now I'm doing this summer. I'm doing a gift to giveaway. So if you're not a member, spam it up. All right, now you guys know it's random. I don't choose who it goes to. So I'm giving this away in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Gifted giveaway launch. Gifted giveaway launch. Gifted giveaway launch. Gifted giveaway launch, baby. Let's see who it goes to. I don't know who it is. It's random. Double R. Double R just received a free membership. Double R. I don't know if he's here right now, but he's normally here. Sorry if you didn't win. Don't worry. There'll be more chances to win. Double R, if you see this, man, I know you normally watch the streams. I don't know if you're here now, but you just want a free membership from me. I did a gift to giveaway because the fam went so ham today. So I did a membership giveaway. Double R, you did receive a free membership. And again, ladies and gentlemen, if you didn't win, don't worry. There'll be more chances to win. Do not worry. There'll be more chances to win. I already gave away like 10 memberships this month alone. And I gave away memberships last month as well. And I gave away a Discord last month as well. I gave away a free Discord membership last month. And I gave away a free Discord the month before. So that's 2 Discord giveaways that I did already. And I've done multiple membership YouTube membership giveaways, which gives you exclusive access to exclusive content, exclusive plays, where I put out exclusive plays. Also, how to find price targets, stuff like that. I'm putting videos like that out for members now. It gives you access to the exclusive emojis that only members can use. It gives you the members only badge, and it helps support the channel. So I appreciate everybody who is a member. Thank you so much, DZ fam. You guys went absolutely insane. We're gonna go ahead and do the video for the day. You guys already know the usual spiel. If you are watching right now, I would appreciate if you just drop a like and a comment on the video when it does come out. That way it can get some views, because that's what the algorithm cares about. If you can let the video play, that helps out even more. And always hitting the like button, subscribe, and sharing helps out a lot as well. I appreciate each and every one of you guys. Let's go ahead and get into the video. I'm going to try to do it one take, but I might mess up. You guys know how it is. It's live. That comes with the territory of being live. I might mess up. You might have to see me mess up a couple times, but you guys will have the first look at the video unedited. Of course, when I break it down and edit it, there will be additional context added, so you might want to check out the video regardless. Let's go ahead and break this down. And again, everybody, make sure you guys tune in, and do not worry if you didn't win. There will be more people that wins. Hopefully, Bano, if you can remember when we stream tomorrow, to remind me that to tell Double R that he won, because I'm sure he'll be here tomorrow. I'm sure he'll be here tomorrow. He might even be watching the video or watch us later. So Double R, if you are seeing this or do see this at some point, you just won the membership. I'm going to try to remember to tell you tomorrow because you're normally here every single day. Nana Ape, good luck. And good luck to Kai Supreme. What up, Jack Green? Jesus United, hopefully you get a membership as well. Hopefully everyone else gets a membership. And we will do more giveaways, so don't worry. Also, the family does membership giveaways as well. Todd gives away a lot of memberships. There's a couple other people that do gifted memberships as well. They do like a lot of gifted memberships. They come in every once in a while. Ant-Man, Richard. There's a couple other people as well that really just come in and just blow up the spot sometimes. So don't worry. You can always get a chance to get a free membership. Let's go ahead and rock out this video. That way I can move on with what I need to do, get myself some dinner, and then enjoy the rest of my weekend. And then I hopefully see you here, guys, Monday for videos and live streams, as you know what it is. Yeah, Todd's a whale. Okay. I want to talk about, this is going to be all easy. AMC earnings. Critical test for SPY. Major test for, obviously, for AMC. Okay. I think I got this. I think I got this. I think I got it. I'm going to try to do it one take. If I mess up, guys, it is what it is. Welcome back, family. You are back for another video with DataZero. This is your weekly outlook and prediction for stocks and crypto. We're looking at AMC, GME, SPY, Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, stocks and crypto, and so much more. Technicals and fundamentals. This video is not financial advice. Should not be taken as such. Let's go ahead and hop in the charts, facts, data right about now and show you guys what is going on for this week. So this weekly outlook and prediction is going to be for the week of May 5th. Until May 9th, ladies and gentlemen, okay? In this week, I know I say this every week, but this week is truly, truly insane. We have a ton of things going on. Action-packed week ahead of us. Just like last week, we had a lot of data drops, earnings as well. We have earnings news going on, so I'm going to break that all down and what you need to know as a trader and investor and what needs to be on your radar. So let's go ahead and show you guys the first thing that I want to talk about, obviously, is going to be AMC earnings as we head into AMC and GME stocks section. AMC earnings is going to be on May 7th and after hours. This was announced by Adam Aaron himself. I also tweeted it as well. So earnings is going to be on May 7th and after hours. So do be ready for that. Also, we do have some other things going on here for AMC and GameStop as well. If you haven't seen this, I made a short video. Okay, we have a lot of news about the AMC and meme stocks. I'm going to cover this right off the rip because technicals and fundamentals are colliding for the meme stocks right now. This is huge, ladies and gentlemen. So if you haven't seen my Twitter, please follow me on Twitter/X. because you could get this stuff before it even drops on the videos. I also dropped the short video. AMC stock's option chain is looking crazy, okay? For June 20th, this summer is looking wild. Box office is looking off the charts. We have someone buying $27 calls, and not just a little bit, a lot. $27 calls here for AMC stock, okay? So we're starting to see whales buy and accumulate AMC stocks. We're also starting to see whales buy and accumulate GME stock, okay? If you haven't seen this recent news here on GME, a big hedge fund, basically a big wealth fund, just opened up a mega position here on GME stock. Again, all of the insiders are buying on GME. All of the whales are buying on GME. I don't want to scroll through all of this again, but someone just bought $30 leaps as well. You can find that on my Twitter/X as well. The movie Sinners is doing absolute numbers for AMC. Also, we have a brand new movie coming out for AMC as well. Thunderbolts is actually performing better than Sinners and Minecraft movie. Ladies and gentlemen, 2025, 2026 looks sick. I would keep your hype in check, but me personally, I'm getting very, very excited. If you guys cannot tell from what I'm seeing here, technicals and fundamentals are colliding. Thunderbolts is doing better than the last previous movies that just absolutely crushed the box office. And we have even more movies set to come out for 2025 and 2026. And we have the premium seating, the premium projectors. More people are going to want to see these movies at AMC theaters. AMC in a prime position to take advantage of this box office run that we're about to see for 2025, 2026. Look at some of these movies. Toy Story 2, Paw Patrol 3, Spider-Man 4. If Thunderbolts is doing number, you know Fantastic Four is going to do absolute numbers. And then we have the Avengers movies coming out as well. And there's more than just superhero movies. There's other movies and sequels and trilogies as well that people are big fans of. This is big for AMC stock and GME stock. Again, fundamentals and technicals are colliding. Whales are buying. Things are improving fundamentally. GameStop is literally buying Bitcoin, and I'm going to go over on the Bitcoin section. Bitcoin is about to go crazy. Ladies and gentlemen, the meme stocks are set up just disgustingly well right now, okay? So go ahead and read my tweets if you guys want to break it all down. I'm going to show you guys the technicals here for AMC, but you can break it all down on the tweets as well. But AMC, I just want to show you guys just a few things here that are extremely bullish and why I think we're going to see a green week here for AMC stock. So RSI trending up, price trending down, bullish divergence, okay? That means AMC is going to flatten out, which I think it's doing now, and correct up hard, okay? We also have a falling wedge, which is a bullish technical saying that we're going to push to the upside. We have the RSI building, which means momentum is building. We have green weekly MACD flip, which just happened this week, which means bullish momentum is building. Also here on the weekly time frame, we have a hammer candle, a bullish hammer candle here on the weekly time frame for AMC stock. Again, more signs of bullishness. On the daily time frame, you can also see that bullish divergence here, and we do have green daily MACD as well. You can see RSI trending up, price trending down. I believe AMC is going to flatten out and correct out. So I do not see why. Again, I called for a green week last week on AMC. We did get a bullish hammer candle, but it was a slight red week. I do not see why this week cannot be a green week. Now, we have AMC earnings, okay? Looking at the short shares right now, they don't have anything crazy. Last time, we were able to do okay for AMC earnings. The only way we don't have a green week this week is if we get attacked extremely hard for AMC earnings. As of right now, we are looking primed as far as technicals are concerned, as far as fundamentals are concerned. I really don't see why AMC won't actually push up, in my personal opinion. I know it's odd for that to happen on earnings, and most likely they are going to try to attack us, and we're going to be watching very, very closely. But I honestly am just going to have to go with what I see here on the technicals. Unless we get extremely attacked, we're going to have a green week this week here for AMC, and it might be a decent green week. if the earnings go our way. You guys can see that if we do pull back, we have these buy orders here as they are accumulating AMC stock. And you guys can see that we do have this higher low set up as well. So this is why I believe, and just off of all the other things I just told you as well, why I believe AMC stock can have a green week and why we're going to see a push to the upside this week. But it is going to determine on AMC earnings on May 7th. I could be extremely right or extremely wrong, but I'm going to go ahead and lock in a green week here for AMC stock based off of everything I'm seeing here with the box office, with the technicals, the bullish divergence, the hammer candle, the RSI trending up, the green weekly MACD, green monthly MACD. Things are looking good for AMC. And even if we did see a pullback, you would see AMC come down into these liquidity zones and probably get a pop to the upside as that bullish divergence starts to play out. So in my personal opinion, when we zoom out on the macro, we're looking good regardless. And AMC is going to indeed flatten out and correct to the upside as it breaks out of this falling wedge and that bullish divergence plays out. Now, as far as GME is concerned, GME looks like it's potentially getting ready to break out of the falling wedge itself. It's a micro falling wedge. I'll talk about here AMC in a second, what we can see on Monday. But GME looks like it's about to break out of a macro falling wedge as well. Also, again, we have all of this bullish news here for GME. GME also, I don't know if you guys have heard, but the Switch 2 is selling a lot as well. That's going to show up on earnings. Things are looking extremely good for the meme stocks. Like, it's looking ridiculously good, especially if GME does confirm to have that Bitcoin. Now, buying that much Bitcoin, you would need an 8K filing most likely, and I haven't seen the 8K filing yet, so it is not confirmed that they have bought the Bitcoin. But again, Bitcoin is continuing to move up, and I think it's going to continue to move up. I'll show you guys in the Bitcoin section, so maybe even if you don't hold Bitcoin, if you hold GameStop, you want to watch the end of this video. But things are looking prime for the meme stocks. GME, as long as we can hold support here and stay above 27.30 and break back above 27.50, you're going to see GME break out towards $28 this week. And then that's probably going to lead us to $30 this week. If we can hold $28, then we're going to go to 30. And if GME goes to 30, that's going to help AMC break out. And if this all happens this week during earnings, it's going to be crazy, ladies and gentlemen. So I'm not getting too hopeful because they are going to fight tooth and nail. But this week in particular, with GameStop being so close to the blast-off zone, if AMC does start to move up, it is going to be absolutely devastating for the short. And regardless of what happens this week, I believe we're getting in a prime position as short interest is increasing, which means we could have a much bigger short interest. 13.61% short interest here for AMC, and GME sitting at 12.24% and 9.61 days to cover. That's 9.61 days of squeezing, ladies and gentlemen. Now, right now, cost to borrow is sitting at 0.28% for GME and 0.62%. We want to see that cost to borrow go up. But also on GME's call options chain, around the same time that AMC has that crazy unusual options activity, GME also has $115 call options, unusual options activity as well. So again, this summer, something could be on the horizon. Just keep your hype in check, and we'll keep things posted. Make sure you hit that like button and subscribe, as I'm going to give you the technicals as they unfold. Now, as far as what we could see here for AMC on Monday, what I'm expecting to see here is AMC to hold 268. As long as we hold 268, we're looking good. I'm hoping this is the week that AMC finally breaks above and holds 275. If we hold 275, we can start moving towards $2. This is all going to determine if earnings is going our way. If we hold 268 here on Monday, then I'm expecting to push up towards 270. I am expecting us to hold it. I'm expecting us to come down and retest it on Monday and then push up for 270. I'm expecting GME to mostly be flat, retesting 27.30, maybe 27.40. Breaking out of this falling wedge. If we can break out of the falling wedge, we won't have to come down lower. If we do, we might have to retest $27. If we break above the sloping support and resistance, we could see a nice push up for GME, moving us towards $30 in that breakoff zone. And then if GME goes to the breakoff zone, that's going to help AMC blast off. Now, I don't want this video to get too long. There's even more I could break down, and especially with GME macro, with the falling wedge and everything like that. But again, we have these buy orders for AMC. Things are looking good if we pull back. GME, just quick here on the macro. We're breaking out of a macro falling wedge. Things are looking really good. And we have green monthly MACD. this is looking prime, ladies and gentlemen, and this summer is looking dope. So watch out for this next couple months moving into the summer for the meme stocks. Now let's go ahead and move into SPY and the overall stock market. I'm expecting a green week for both AMC and GME. Now let's go ahead and move into SPY and the overall stock market. As far as data drops are concerned for this week, we have huge. Wednesday is going to be insane, okay? So we have Fed interest rate decision, Fed press conference, we have ISM, and that's going to be a big data drop, but the major thing is going to be the Fed interest rate decision and Fed press conference. This is going to determine everything for the stock market. Now, I want to say we have a slight green week for SPY, but this could be the week where we start to top out, and let me explain what's going on with that. Now, we have two different articles here, one saying buy the dip, one saying sell in May, go away. Ladies and gentlemen, I believe what we're seeing here is a liquidity pump. Now, this week has a critical test for SPY that's going to tell me everything I need to know. If SPY is able to break above its moving averages here this week on the daily time frame and stay above it, that means SPY is flipping bullish. Okay, so I want to be watching that, and I want to be aware of that, especially somebody who is hedged against the market. Now, what I'm expecting for SPY to do is actually push up a little bit higher and pull back. RSI is not yet overbought on the daily, but we left a lot of gap fills on the way up. This rally's been built on air. I know a lot of bulls are getting excited, but I think what we're going to do is push up a little bit higher, flatten out, and correct down. So that's why I think we're going to see a slight green week for SPY. My prediction for NASDAQ has been tracking for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 days. I think it's going to continue tracking. We could see a little bit pullback here on Monday, but that's just going to lead to us finding a bottom and then pushing up. As far as SPY is concerned here, I think what we could see here in the morning is SPY having a slight pullback here pre-market, finding support around 56612, and then pushing up towards that 56756. If we're able to hold 56756 and hold that as support, then we could start pushing up towards the gap fill, which is the ultimate price target that I think SPY is going to hit before pulling back. And that gap fill is going to be at the level of 57829 and ending at 57999. So I think we are going to try to push up a little bit higher here, but Fed interest rate could come into play. So expect bullishness Monday, Tuesday, maybe into Wednesday, and then maybe Wednesday, Thursday, expect some bearishness. But I do expect a slight green week here for SPY as we push a little bit higher, fill this last liquidity gap, and then start to top out. As somebody who is hedged with SQQQ, I do want to be watching very, very carefully to see if SPY breaks above the moving averages here on the daily time frame. If it does break and hold those, we could see SPY go bullish, but I do want to point out a scenario here on BTC just to give us a kind of a mindset on what has happened in history. And we've also seen SPY do this before in major corrections. It bounces, but then makes a bigger leg down. Now, I just want to show you guys something here with BTC just to give you an example. I'm not saying SPY is BTC, but RSI trends down, price trends up. You can see how BTC flattened out and corrected down, which I showed you guys as an example for SPY. You guys can see that SPY did indeed correct down as RSI trended down and price trended up. I told you guys SPY would flatten out and correct down. That is exactly what happened. Now, I want you guys to take note here what happened on BTC. After that, BTC actually found a bottom, came up only to make a slightly higher high, but a relative double top to make a bigger leg down, ladies and gentlemen. I'm not saying this is exactly what's going to happen on SPY, but I'm saying SPY could easily come up and make a double top to make a bigger leg down. So it is not over until SPY breaks above 613.09 and holds that level. That's when a SPY would officially be flipping bullish and make a big leg up. So me personally, I'm going to hold on to my hedge until we beat a new all-time high or higher and confirm those levels that support. I think SPY is simply pushing up to make another leg down as far as the macro is concerned. As far as micro is concerned for Monday, I think we're going to see a little bit of pullback to push up for a slight green week. Now, make sure you guys hit that like button and subscribe. Let's go ahead and move into BTC and crypto, and then we're going to be wrapping up this video. So BTC pulling back slightly right now, and it is following my prediction to a T. Now, BTC Very obvious what's going to happen on BTC. You can see RSI got to that overbought territory. If we go ahead and pop in BTC here on the chart for trading view, you can see that I have a prediction here, and my BTC predictions have been very accurate. I called for BTC 80 and 100K back when Gareth Soloway was calling for 3K, 10K, very bearish price targets. I said we hit the bottom once FTX flushed, and we didn't go lower than 15K, and also identified the falling wedge. I called for 80 and 100K back in 2023, 2022 when I called the bottom of BTC. Now, you guys can see that we're breaking out of this falling wedge, but we do have these sell orders here on the daily time frame. RSI got overbought. BTC most likely going to come back down and come back to this liquidity zone around that 90 to 87K, 85K level, pulling back and then making a higher low before pushing to the upside and making a blast off move, potentially taking us to a new all-time high. So Bitcoin is tracking with my prediction very, very well. We're probably going to come back down, retest these moving averages as support, and then push up, which would be extremely bullish. BTC is trying to negate the death cross. As you guys can see, the 50 moving average is trying to move back over the 200 moving average marked in white, 50 marked in yellow, and we are above the 200 moving average, which is a bullish sign on the macro. Again, I think we're going to come back down, retesting this 91.6K to 85K level as support, hitting these buy zones, getting that liquidity zone, and then pushing up, causing BTC to make a new all-time high as it breaks out of this overall falling wedge setup, which has us easily breaking out over the previous all-time high as we make a higher low. So I think BTC looks really good for a setup to the upside. Again, Crypto Superpower 2025, this is going to become the standard of maintaining wealth, ladies and gentlemen. They're also moving us into the digital future, into the digital realm. We need to be able to show value in a digital space. Also, the banking system is literally archaic. It could be replaced by Bitcoin or XRP or any other type of coin, literally, ladies and gentlemen. So they're going to be doing that. They're going to be making digital dollars. They're going to be utilizing these things. Trump is talking about making the USA a crypto superpower. Texas is making legislation to make a Bitcoin reserve. GameStop is buying Bitcoin as a reserve. Michael Saylor is buying Bitcoin as a reserve. This is going to become the gold standard of maintaining wealth, as it only has 21 million coins in a fixed cap. Now, once BTC makes this move, other altcoins are going to make a move as well. Two altcoins that I can see that are primed to make a move right now, and price targets for those altcoins are XRP with the breakout of this falling wedge, coming back down for this liquidity zone, as it probably will, and then push back up, breaking a new all-time high of $3.35. Easily with the breakout of this falling wedge, I could see XRP doing that, especially since it's got its ETF now. And there's probably more ETFs on the way. And Cardano ADA also having a falling wedge. It's probably going to come back down, retesting the falling wedge as support, and then pop to the upside from there, as long as BTC makes its move. So again, altcoins will move, and it'll probably bring altcoin season. Like I said, altcoin season will probably come around spring, summer 2025. It looks like we are on track for late summer 2025. So I am hoping to see BTC make this move, taking altcoins with it. But first, Bitcoin does need to make it move, as Bitcoin dominance is so high. Ladies and gentlemen, this was your weekly outlook and prediction for stocks and crypto. If you found this video informative, please go ahead and drop a like and leave a comment down below. I truly appreciate it if you watch the end of this video, because so people watch the end, and that helps me out immensely. If you guys want to support the channel in a different way, you could drop a super chat on the live streams that I do almost every single day, and especially during market hours and once on the weekend. I'm dropping some of the merch right now, so if you guys want to support the channel, you guys can check out the merch store, comment section, link below. But if you want to support for free, just leave a comment, share, and as always, y'all, have fun, stay safe, make money. Peace out. All right, so thank you anybody who's still here. I really appreciate you guys. We're going to go ahead and get this video edited, and then if you guys can, just please like the video, leave a comment on it, share if you guys don't mind. And I appreciate each and every one of you. This was your weekly outlook and prediction for stocks and crypto. Thank you so much for being here watching it live. That helps me out a lot. And guys, girls, ladies and gents, thank you guys for the crazy amount of super chats. You guys are always so supportive, and I literally couldn't be here without that support as of right now until we start getting more views, until we get bigger. So I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you. And as always, have fun, stay safe, make money. Peace out, fam. Tune in for the video around 8:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and tune in for the live streams tomorrow. Thank you, fam. Shout out Party, Nana Ape, Rocket Man, Kai Supreme, Pam Law. Shout out all of the people that sent super chats. I did a gifted membership because you guys went so crazy. 5150 with the 20-piece Absolute Insane. Andrew, Victory, Marmar, Stewart, and Andrew, Victory, and 5150 went crazy today, man. Thank you so much, for real. Weekends always mean a lot. Let me get this video edited, and then that way I can make some dinner. I'm hungry. Peace. See ya, Diamond, DH, Nana, Army Bro, peace. See you tomorrow.
video.